Yo, what's up, guys? This is John G. Whadafunk, and this is episode 6 of the Whadafunk Stories vlog. And I can't believe it's already episode 6. It's crazy. We had the studio for 6 weeks already, that means, which is amazing. We got a lot of stuff done in those last 6 weeks. And this episode is going to be filmed all in one day because, you know, the whole situation going on in the world right now. So this is a whole one-day episode. So I'm going to show you guys the screen printing process, how we are going to be screen printing some stuff, and we just got some new ink and we want to test it out and try it out and stuff. So I'm going to show you guys the screen printing process. We're going to be printing some older designs and maybe might do a giveaway on this. So leave a comment, like and subscribe if you guys want a Whadafunk giveaway. We might give away some of these shirts, so we'll see. So stay tuned. So this is the ink that we just got. This is some Plastisol ink, and we're gonna be testing that out. We got some blank shirts right here. We're gonna be testing out some new blank shirts as well. So this is just a testing day. So there, right there. Got the squeegees right here. Not sure which one we're going to use yet. I'm going to show you guys the design. We're going to print a simple one. Alright guys, so I think we're going to be printing the Misunderstood. Yeah. If you remember this one, this was a summer release, and we also had this at Doll's Kill as well. So we'll be printing that one again, I think. This is the other screen from that design. That's the front of the Misunderstood shirt. And then this is also the Vamp Mount shirt front. Put them on both on one screen to save room. This is right here is a pile of blank scrap shirts. This is, you know, the stash right here. You know, that good stuff. So I just put this transfer tape on the palette so we could put glue on the palette to we use the glue to hold the shirts down so they don't come lifting up when you print them. So I already did it, and the video deleted, of course, by accident, so I'll just show you guys. So use this, just put it on, and then you smooth it out like that, and then that's it. And then after that, you put the glue on. This right here is the glue that I use. So usually they have aerosol spray glues, and I really didn't want to use any aerosol spray because that gets like all over the place. And I was happy when I found this because you just need a little bit, and you put it across the palette, and then you swipe it through with like a card, like any type of card you have. So Alright guys, so we're testing the inks right now. So You load up your shirt just like that. Make sure there's no little debris, little dust on it or anything. Clean it off. Make sure it's tight on there. Place your screen down. Now your screen's down. Make sure you're fully loaded with ink. And then you squeegee it. As much pressure as you could do. After about 100 of those, you start feeling it. It's like a workout, screen printing workout. There you go. Lift it up. The glue is drying, unfortunately, but we could always add more, but we're not gonna. We only got a couple shirts left to do. Then there you go. There you have it. Alright guys, so remember I told you this is how we're gonna hang the shirts? Well, this is it in action. So here are the ones we printed. This is just testing out, you know, classic design. So testing out some new ink, classic design. Got some time to kill, so why not test things out? And there's the back, about to heat it up, and use the heat press right here, heat it up, dry the shirts, cure the shirts, and then we'll print the front. Alright guys, so right now I am using the heat press to cure the shirts. Yeah, so I'm gonna hold it over it, hover it over it for a little bit, make sure the ink dries, and then I'm gonna cure it with the heat press right after. So right now I'm just hovering over it because it's still wet, so just hover it over it close but without touching for about 30 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's pretty dry, but do it again just to make sure. This is the front of the screen, so I got to tape off the other side, keep this side for the printing of the front. So I'm about to do that right now. So I'm going to use these pieces of paper, block off the design, that way use less tape, and it's just easier. Why waste a bunch of tape and go over the actual design with the tape? I don't want to take it off by accident, so there we go. So here it is. I'll show you what I was talking about. See, set it up like that. You only use a couple pieces instead of wasting a bunch of tape. And then you got the design that you need to print with. All set up, ready to go. And there you go. I hope you guys liked that little screen printing video. It's not really an instructional video. It's more of like how we do it and like how we're experimenting and stuff and just learning. We're learning too, so you know, I've been doing this for, you know, some years, but we're always still learning more things. So I just want to show you guys a little step into how we screen print and all that. So I hope you guys like the video. Please like and subscribe, and you know, leave a comment. All that stuff helps us grow the channel, and we're just trying to keep growing the channel and keep doing these videos for you guys, keep you guys entertained and in the loop of what we're doing. And yeah, so that was that. So I hope you guys like it. I know it was just a one-day thing, nothing too crazy, but you gotta adapt to the time. So that's what we're doing. So hope you guys like it. Peace.